Hi everyone, I am Aryan. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show how we can install VS Code in our system and get it set up. So without wasting any further time, let's quickly jump in. I have opened Google Chrome. You can also do the same or any browser will work. There we will type VS Code. We will search for it, and the first website that appears, that is visualstudio.com, code.visualstudio.com. This is the official website. We will go here, and on the home page, since it has detected that I am using Ubuntu operating system, so it has provided me the Debian package. I will click here and get it downloaded. Since I have already downloaded, I will not download it once again. If you guys are using some other distribution of Linux, that is Red Hat or Fedora, you can go for .rpm. I personally have not experienced Red Hat or Fedora, so I don't know how to install it. Anyways, I will show how to do with Debian system. Uh, and if you guys are using Windows operating system, for that you will be getting a Windows downloader. Let me show you how it will look. So for Windows downloader, you can click on Windows 10 here. Uh, upon clicking, it will show a dialog box to confirm the download and same ways. So since I have already downloaded, I will move on directly to the files. Okay, for Ubuntu, we also have a simpler package. We don't need to download explicitly visit website and download the software application. We can do it in a more easier way, that is by using Snap Store. How to use Snap Store? Let me show you. On the show apps, all apps that will be available on left bottom corner of your desktop, we will click it and we will search for App Center. Upon clicking the App Center, it will open. I have already opened, so this is the App Center. Here, what we will be search? We are installing VS Code, so we will search for VS Code. Okay, so it goes by the name Code. The first one, Code, and here you will get an option to install. You just need to click it and provide like your credentials, and it will automatically install it. Like we have Microsoft Store, same way we have Snap Store for Ubuntu. But if you are using some other Debian based like Kali or anything else, we have to go by command line. Let me show you how the command line looks, what the command line will be. So since we will go to the downloaded folder, see this file is the downloaded one. We will open terminal here, this three dots, open in terminal, that it will open this particular directory in my terminal. I have already opened, see here. So if we check current direct pwd for present print working directory, so my print working directory is home directory and my username and downloads. Let me list all the files that are available using ls. So we can see that here, this is the file that we have to install, code 1.99 version .debian. So for that, the command line will be, let me clear it, clear, clear. So sudo dpkg hyphen I for install and code tab. Okay. So the command is sudo for providing super user privileges. dpkg is a package installer. I option is for installing, and this is the file name. So this command I will paste in my description box. When you will click this, it will ask prompt for your credentials, and once you pass on the credentials, you can press enter, and it will install it by itself. That was all how we can installing in Linux, and for Windows it will be simple. It will be even simpler. You just have to go to the downloaded directory, then double click it, and clicking on yes, next, it will be installed. So let me show how it will look when it is done. So I've opened the thing. It will take some time to open. Anyway, let me close all tabs. Control C for closing the terminal. Okay, closing files, and when you will open, this is how it will look. There are plenty of options. This is the current file that we are explorer. Here we can search for, I think, uh, there might be something, I don't know actually. This is the Git version. Git Ultimate Explorer. These are the extensions. These 1, 2, 3, and 4. These 4 will be available by from the start. Explorer 1, this run and debug, and anyway, you guys can explore it by yourself. And that was all for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Feel free to ask questions regarding this. And that's all. Have a nice day, guys. Thank you.